Is your marketing a slot machine or a vending machine? The slot machine is what you find at the casinos. You pull a lever, you cross your fingers, you hope you actually win something. More often than not, the house always wins, so you don't. But a vending machine is where when you put in money, you get money back. You get more than what you've put in. So how is your marketing? Is it a gamble where you put in money? It's like throwing this and, hoping for the best, hope you get the right number, the right combination that will actually pay off for itself and more in your business? Or is it the kind where you put in money and you know you're going to get much more than what you've put in? So if it's not, if your marketing is a slot machine, don't worry, I've got you covered. Just click the link below this video. You'll attend a webinar where we talk about your marketing plan to get you started. Because first of all, you need a good plan. You need a solid plan that you're going to put into action. So that's what I'm going to help you prepare. So click the link below. There's a free webinar for you. You stick with me for that 1 hour. Grab a paper and a pen so that you take down notes, because you're going to learn a lot and it's going to be worth your while. These secrets that I use in my business, I'm sharing them with you. So click the link below and I'll see you on the other side.